Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? This is Eve. I hope everyone had a good week and hope you'll have a great weekend. So like I said, I'm back with a giveaway video. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I have this stickers of owls. There are 72 counts. And this is what it looks like. And I also have this wall decal. And it's in this owl, and then the other side has more sticker, so this is for your wall and stuff. And then I have this car air freshener, and this is in tropical scent, and that's what it looks like. And then I have this Scotch duct tape, and this is the pattern. And then I also have this screen protector for iPhone 5, 5S, and 5C. And this is in the purple. And then there is this. This is a chalkboard tea light holder. And it has this beautiful rhinestone design on top. And you can write whatever you want on this chalkboard. And then I also have this. This is a ribbon transfer. So it has and at number sign pointing that way, heart, and all that design. And then you can make it like that. And it shows you in the back how to use it. And then I also got this Dr. Bright, I think, One Smile Teeth Whitening Strips. There's 30 in here. And there's the instruction back here. And then I also have this, excuse me, temporary hair color in pink. And a comb in and wash out, I guess that's what it says. There's the direction back here. So you'll get this in the giveaway as well. And I also have this lotion on the giveaway. And then, yeah, this is 5 fluid ounce. And that's what it looks like. I also have this Peppermint Color Changing Mood Lip Balm. So it changes from this color to that. And it has a little wiggly eye on the chapstick. And then I also have this Wet n Wild eyeshadow. It comes with 3 shadows like beige, brown, and orange. This is a really pretty color for the fall. And then there is this Milani Shadow Eyes, and this is in Aquatic Style number 5. And these are really nice. They're very creamy. I love them. And then there is this Bonnie Bell Lip Balm. And that's what it looks like. It's a really pale pink, and I like this brand. It's very moisturizing on the lip. And then there is this acne wipes. I use this all the time and I love it, especially when I'm breaking out. I use this, and this also moisturizes and cleanses at the same time, so this is really nice. And there is 30 counts of wipes there. And then I also have these nail polish stickers by Donna Michelle. So there's this design. And then also this one. And this one. And this. And then the last 3 items. One is this L'Oreal new, it's blow dry it thermal smoother cream. And it's a heat protection, so this is really good, especially if you blow dry your hair every day and use heat on your hair every day. And then the last 2 items are these good cleansing wipes, and these are natural. And this one is in pear, and this one is, I think, red ruby. And this one is actually Paranormal Activity, I guess. So these are all the things that you get on the giveaway box. So to enter the giveaway, you just have to be a subscriber, like, and comment saying that you want to be entered, and then also what your favorite thing is about fall. So yeah, that's everything for today. I hope everyone enters, and then yeah. So I will, the giveaway ends in a week, so I can ship this out next, I guess on Monday. So giveaway ends next Sunday at midnight. So you have time to enter until next Sunday by midnight. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.